chest.
Deepa, just tell us, this is the first time we are seeing you after more than 48 hours. Sorry for, that particular scenario. And we saw you in the morning wishing Kenyans a happy, Shujaa Day through your ex-official account. We saw you also wishing Kenyans a happy Shujaa Day during through your official X account, but we are seeing you for the first time in more than 48 hours. Just tell us about your status.
Thank you very much. I think on Thursday I had proceedings in the Senate throughout the morning, and I think we broke at 1 o'clock or so. And I retreated to Harambee House Annex for lunch with my team of lawyers and a few of my senior officials in the Office of the Deputy President. And after lunch, we went through